I can think of no one who is more deserving of this award than Tick Segerblom.
Tick is someone who really cares about making a difference. He loves his family. He's very committed to his family.
His wife Sharon is one of the smartest people I know, and Tick outside of the office or Tick outside of politics, he's not much different from Tick the lawyer or Tick the legislator, Tick the chair of the Clark County Commission, because Tick is Tick.
He always held true to all of his values no matter what he did.
He's very serious about the work that he's doing in the community. He's very serious about helping others.
Tick's commitment to working people shows in not just his legal career, but also in his political career.
He continued to make sure that the people of Nevada have better laws, better courts, better governmental organizations, better everything.
Whether that is his district or outside of his district, as long as he can impact and have a positive impact on someone's life.
He represented victims of discrimination and sexual harassment. Not only is he a great lawyer, he's a great legislator, so he understands the laws that he is creating and is using that to make the laws in Nevada better.
In one session, Tick took on the constitutional ban on same-sex marriage in the Nevada Constitution and ensuring that the constitutional rights of medical patients to access cannabis were effectuated.
Tick represented Barbara Steiner. Barbara Steiner was a dealer at the Showboat Hotel. She had given a 75-cent comp for a free breakfast to one of the gamblers at her table. Her pit boss took issue with it and yelled across the pit to her, "Why don't you just go suck their dicks too?" Barbara took issue with this, hired Tick as her lawyer, and Judge Lloyd George granted summary judgment. It became a very famous case because it went up to the Ninth Circuit, and the Ninth Circuit, thanks to Tick's work, reversed that case and held that there is a reasonable woman standard. So Tick has established the law for all of us across the country that there is such a thing as a reasonable woman.
Tick is very humble. I don't know how he's gonna take all of this. He's gonna call us liars.
Tick has a big mouth sometimes, and Tick doesn't always think about what he says before he says it.
I hope he realizes in between jokes the greater impact that he has in so many people's life, including mine.
Truthfully, it means a tremendous amount. Having been a trial lawyer for, 45 years, I've seen the guys and women who've gotten this honor before, and to be placed in that same group is really phenomenal, so I can't thank you enough. The thing that's meant the most to me, and which I will go down on my tombstone, is being the godfather of marijuana. And not because marijuana became legal in the sense that people can smoke it, but because of all the people who were criminally prosecuted and charged, particularly minorities, and so thousands and thousands of people have avoided having to hire lawyers, which is sad, but truthfully, it's made a huge impact in the judicial system and on the minority communities and all of us. And of course, marijuana is also good. You know, as a lawyer who kind of carved a niche out for a certain employment area, be willing to talk to people, whatever their wrong is, and then think outside the box. You know, there's laws always can be developed. There's always an insurance company somewhere. So really just realize that you are the basis for protecting our society, the most vulnerable, the victims. And so don't just say, well, if it wasn't a car accident, there's no insurance, so I can't do anything. You know, think outside the box, because if there's a remedy there somewhere, and that's what we do. We have to be resourceful and not just, you know, play by the book and do the same thing over and over again. So in addition to thanking all of you lawyers and all the lawyers that have gone before me, I want to thank obviously my wife Sharon, who put up with me in those long periods of time when the contingency fee was out there, but there was no income. So she really saved the day for me and allowed me to do what I do. My daughter Eva, who is now a very successful trial lawyer on her own right, who I know helped with this. And I have to thank Ardea Canepa, who I think is kind of the origin of this award. But between the two of them, they are very progressive, but also, well, let's just say they're very progressive.
So Tick, I followed you from the Assembly to the Senate. I guess I have to follow you to the County Commission next. And then is the next route to the Lifetime Achievement Award. So congratulations, Tick, on your Lifetime Achievement Award.
Tick, congratulations on winning Lifetime Achievement Award. Very well deserved this recognition, and thank you for everything you do, not just for me, but for our community.
Thank you, Tick Segerblom, for the incredible contribution you have made to justice in Nevada. You so deserve this award. And those of us who are honored to say something about you, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for what you have done for us, the clients you've sent us, the work that you have done, the laws you have passed, and all of the incredible contributions. You are so richly deserving of this award, and it is such an honor for me to be able to tell just a few funny stories about you.
Tick, congratulations on the NJA Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm so proud of you.
Congratulations, Tick, on being the weed daddy of the state of Nevada. We're so proud of you and everything you've accomplished in your career, and you fully deserve this Lifetime Achievement Award.